Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I've got the latest, what is it? Bloom Baby Bloom. Oh, the Garden Be Happy box from the Happy Planner, and I'm really excited to take you through this. I haven't looked at any other squads unboxings, so I have no idea what's in here. Let's get started. So we open this up. Oh my goodness. Stay. Oh, look at that pretty paper, and then it says plant your dreams, and I am terrible at, oh, just rip it. Oh my gosh, let's move this like this to the side so that I can, oh, hold on. See, I'm very graceful when it comes to this, but there's so much stuff in here already. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, first is my garden is my happy place. So this is all the stuff that you get in here. So in this box you'll find flourishing florals, blooming botanicals, and accessories to grow a happy life. So there's a classic undated planner, 60 sheets of classic fill paper, a 30-sheet sticker book, marble classic discs in the Monstera. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Washi tape, page flags, die cut stickers, and a tote bag. Holy, I am so excited. Okay, so first things first, you've got these page, gosh, I already forgot what they are. Page flags. I love these. I love using these, and they're so cute. And they've got like a little plant on one and then a little watering can on the other. And then the next thing are these two die cut stickers. One says Bloom Baby Bloom and Plants Are Friends. How cute. I'm going to zoom in so we can see. Like, how beautiful are those? I love the florals on this one. And then it's just so pretty. The next is this My Garden is My Happy Place sticker sheets. Holy, oh my god. Okay, so really quick flip through of that. You grow girl. Can you guys see? Really cute. A little dirt never hurt. I love the color scheme of this. Really love the color scheme. Plant name. I'm not a gardener at all, so I probably won't be using these stickers, but they're so pretty. Oh, I love long boxes like these with the little plants at the bottom. Things to do. Direct sow seeds, planting day, fertilize and feed. Cute. Checking daily, stay consistent with. So these don't necessarily have to be involved with gardening. You can actually use these as habit trackers. Really cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. Love that one. That one I think is my favorite. Oh, and the Bloom Baby Bloom. Oh, and the rainbow. That chair. I want that chair. You grow girl. I love the decor in here. So cute. Take a day off, garden party, play in the dirt. That'll probably be Lucy. Meet me in the garden. Gardening journal. Really pretty, and I love the color scheme. Like, I cannot get over the color scheme of this. OMG. I love the pattern on these. I've always loved boxes like that with all the little tiny patterns. My favorite. Ooh, more to do boxes. One with a cat. And then all the foil icons. There's quite a few in here. Ooh, and with fruit as well. And then, oh my goodness. I like the decor and the artwork in this sticker book is phenomenal. I love that. So that is the My Garden is My Happy Place. Beautiful. And then the next thing are these classic paper fill sheet, classic fill paper. So there's 60 sheets in here. So I think you could see it from the front. So on the front, it looks like a daily page. So you've got top priorities, all the things, and then listed out. And then I love what's on the side there. And then on the back is grid paper that says bloom, and there it says bloom and grow. Oh my goodness. I can't get over, like I can't even get over like the tissue paper. Then, oh, okay. So let's take that out. Oh, I'm so glad they put this around the discs. The discs are the usual discs, but then this is Plant Dreams and Grow a Happy Life. So it is an undated classic planner. And hold on here. So there is the cover page. Plant Lady. The one thing I already noticed though is that they don't have, because it's an undated, they don't have the full year at a glance in here. And then, ooh, gardening projects. Interesting. So gardening projects here. Date, plant type, notes and reminders, and take care of your plants. And then undated classic. And then you've got on the side, watering, sunlight, fertilizer, turn soil, pull weeds. So I think that's the same on every page. And then this is the currently. And there's the dashboard for that. So I think everything is the same. The coloring is just slightly different. But the dashboards are gorgeous. So I'll take you through those. A little dirt never hurts. So very similar to the stickers. I really like that in the middle. Now, I personally won't use the sidebar because I'm not a gardener, but I just love the rest of it is quite neutral. I don't know what else. I mean, what else could you use this for? You could certainly use this for self-care, actually. It doesn't have to be about gardening. It can be about self-care, so you can certainly change the labels to make it work for you. And I just thought of something, like for, if you want to use this as a fitness or a wellness planner, where it says watering, and then sunlight and fertilizer and stuff, you could use that really to track your self-care. How much, if you've been having all of your water, if you're getting out, doing your walks. I don't know what you would classify as fertilizer, but you could certainly make this work for you. So let's look at the other dashboards. Ooh, pretty. Plants are friends. Oh, I love that. I don't know if plants would find me friendly because I have killed many plants in my lifetime. Oh, I love the overall look of that with the table and the chair. Very pretty. Plant a happy life. Sorry, I have plans this weekend. I think that's hilarious. And then lastly, it's just the notes and things. So that is the Plant Dreams and Grow a Happy Life planner. Then the last thing I think that, oh no, there's three more things in here. So let's zoom in so you guys can see all of these. So here is the washi that it comes with it. So it's got 7 different washi. I already love this one, and this light blue one, and this one, and I love them. Very pretty. And they came in a little bag, but then they all fell out of the bag. That's okay. Love that washi. And then here are the medium discs. So the Monstera, it's just a gorgeous green. I love the green of that. It's beautiful. So you get 11 in here. So that's enough to fill a big happy planner. But gorgeous color disc. And then lastly, Botany. I get it. Botany Plants Lately. And it's this cute little tote. Well, let's measure how big it actually is. I've got a measuring tape here. So this tote is about, I don't know, 13.5. Gosh, I can't even measure. About 13.5 inches long and about 13 inches wide. And then it looks like is it open? But it's just really cute. I love that. So you get a cute little tote in that as well. This is absolutely gorgeous. You get so much stuff in here. I'm absolutely impressed with the amount of stuff that you're getting in just this box. So you get the tote, the washi, the discs, the planner, you get the fill paper, you get the sticker book, the page tabs, and the die cut stickers. All right, so that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am so thankful to the Happy Planner for this box. I'm not a gardener, but I love the color scheme. I love everything that you get in this box. Like this, I would buy this box just for the sticker book and the washi and the tote bag. Like, love them. I will leave more details in the description below in terms of pricing and when you can buy and things like that. And you can certainly use my affiliate link down below. But thanks again so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.